how to manage offers on your creator account page on Patreon. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to manage offers is go to patreon.com. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is just click here on your creator account to go to your creator account. Now click here on edit your page, and now go here to the top and click on advanced and click on offers. Now right here, as you can see, you will find the offers page, and from here you can manage and add offers as you want. You can create your own from here, as you can see, and you have many options actually. You have the early access tickets, one-to-one outreach, custom sticker, and many other. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.